What do you see as the future of medicine? How does science affect breakthroughs for the generations to come? How can we create the solutions that will drive the world of science forward? Solutions that will shape the future. Solutions that will define our way of life. Answers to these fundamental questions often lie in the finest of details. A single protein, a subtle cellular interaction. What may seem insignificant to some holds the answer to saving millions of lives. To analyze these moments, scientists have turned to microscopy. But over the last 70 years, very little has changed. To be able to ask greater questions, seek deeper insights, and draw more powerful conclusions, we need to think outside of conventions. Go against the grain. Revolutionize. With this new beginning, the revolution in microscopy is underway. By thinking outside of the box, a series of solutions have been developed that resonate with our core principles. Principles that bring new levels of efficiency and power to researchers' fingertips. A true manifestation of bioconvergence, an integration of powerful software with biology, enabling profound changes and radical breakthroughs. Today, we look to shape scientific research of tomorrow. We see a future where robotics, artificial intelligence, advanced genomics, and bioprinting come together in a beautiful harmony to fundamentally shift the quality of healthcare, to create the future of medicine.